Hi guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Jake's Journey, mate, and today we are going on the first trip away in the new van. Woohoo! Let's get the van packed up, get some diesel, hit the road, hit the motorway, get ourselves up into the Lake District. Oh! Yo, so this is what I sorted out last night. Just got the mattress in here, put in a carpet from a tent that we used to have, bit of a floor mat, hooked up a ceiling, which is just an old like curtain or something like that. Excuse the road noise. And that's just cable tied into place to stop any dripping of like condensation on the ceiling and stuff like that when it like dehumidifies. Basically, there's going to be 3 of us breathing in here and body heat overnight, so it tends to condense on the cold surface of the outer layer of the van. So this will just stop any drippage landing on us in the middle of the night. Let's get the rest of the stuff in here and crack on. Woo! Basically, I just need to see if this thing works. Well, that one works. Fuck me! We're cooking on gas. Let's get this in the van. We've come up with a little invention. Just loops the water through there, stop it bouncing around in the back, and it's all just a bit messy up there. It's not luxury, so we're just gonna make it. Whoa, fucking hell! Just gonna make it work. Be right, won't it? Woo! One sec, let me look massive. Oh, just filling my fuel, mate. Right, basically we're on the we're heading onto the motorway now. Gonna get ourselves up, and then yeah, cue the cinematic time lapse of the road on the motorway that everyone does because it looks cool. Yo, what's going on, gangsters? Right, we've just stopped for a quick coffee. We've got Stevie J here, this is the old man.
Hello, you guys.
It's New Year's Eve tomorrow, and that is his 69th birthday. 69th birthday? 59.
59 tomorrow.
59th birthday.
I'm on my birthday trip in Tokyo.
Single ladies as well, for anyone who's...
anyone wants a bit of this geezy single Pringle and ready to mingle, so hit me up down below in the comments and we'll get you set up with Stevie J. I'll send you your number direct, so sick. GP, as you know, and yeah, we're on our way to Keswick like explained earlier. We just grabbed a quick coffee from Greg's and the old sausage roll. I had a vegan one because I thought I'd give it a try. Decent to be fair, send it. We had to stop because we've got a bit of PTSD. We were just chatting along and I seen all of a sudden coming out of nowhere this pigeon, and I swear down it smacked like the roof just in front of me here, and it made a right bang, didn't it? Like literally, it was like
the cack
boom! I was like, oh! All 3 of us were like, fucking hell! What just happened? But we literally forgot when we pulled over though to check, see if the roof's damaged or anything, or if there's any pigeon brains splattered around the gaff. But I don't know. We're 41 minutes now from Keswick, and yeah, it's been a fairly decent drive, hasn't it? Easy drive.
As you do, so, first maiden voyage in the new...
She seems to cruise, to be fair, and we're looking at decent MPG. We filled up just as we left West Midlands. We've not even used a quarter of a tank yet, so, and it's what, a 200-mile journey? So, fair. Laughing with that. Laughing, mate. So we've done 160 miles now, and we've not used a quarter of a tank. So we're at least doing 160 times 4. Let me know below, I'm shit at maths.
Did we say 35 to the gallon we're doing?
Something like that, about 35 to the gallon. So for a big van like this, coming from Connie, it's actually doing pretty decent on fuel. We'll see what it's looking like once we've got the roof rack on and all the weight in the back. But I think we'll still be averaging the same sort of mileage. But yeah, decent. I guess we'll wrap up and see you when we get there. Set up in the dark probably, and the weather looks like it's taking a change for the worse, but
we're real men.
One sec, get the muscles out. Yo, what's going on, gangsters? We've just rocked up in Keswick. We were going to go straight to the spot that we were going to stay at for the night, but the intent now is, as we've drove through it, we were like, yo, it's Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve. It looks sick as out there in the town. So we're basically going to go and check it out, have a little bit of a walk around. Seb fancies to go at it, and it's his birthday weekend after all, so we're doing it. Sounds good, right? We will see you in a bit. We'll show you what's going on. But we are parked here. Going on. Sweet as, right, so that's where we're parked. We just followed the mirror in a bit, and we're laughing really, mate. Yo, right, so we've just rocked up into the gaff that we're staying at for the night. We are basically now going to get the curry on the go, get the fire on the go, and go and chill out around it. I'll send you a little bit of B-roll footage right there, but it is New Year's Eve, so I'm not going to go wild with it. I will see you on the morns, because Happy New Year. We spent the evening round the fire, eating our curry and watching the flames flicker. New Year's Eve, how it should be spent. Looking forward to the next day, where it was Seb's birthday. Yo, what is going on, gangsters? A good morning. So we finally got these lot up because because there's no windows in the van at the minute, it is quite dark in there, so it's quite hard to sort of come round. But yeah, I've done a bit of chilling in the front of the cab this morning while these two sort of drifted in and out of consciousness. But yeah, we're just going to go down to the river now, have a quick splash. We've already done the washing up from last night. And yeah, then we'll come back, have a few bits of scranny bits, and yeah, peace. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Birthday today, New Year's Day. Let's go and rinse. Mr. Beluga.
Now, Mr. Jack's journey, mate.
What's going on here?
This morning we make Tesco's finest smoked bacon. Yeah, do it, boy. 3 range eggs, bit of avocado, and Starbucks Veranda blend.
Very nice, fancy.
And then we'll get up some motherfucking mountains.
Get some Michael Cofferfield on as well, and it's looking groovy. Ooh yeah. So we flip back to the phone and one sec. Oh my god. Jake and Ben, forever. That's me and you. Ever. I feel like Evan Almighty.
Oh, look.
It is windy AF. Right, so this track that we need to go across is flooded. So the intent was roll these up, take the boots off and crack on, which we did start doing, but now the adventure's ruined. We'll let him off, it is his birthday. We're gonna go and find somewhere else to walk. And look at that view behind me. Gorgeous, isn't it? We've just had a quick food stop, little tuna sandwich.
No stitch.
Need to get out more, Seb.
I'm warm, but you shouldn't have stitch.
What a gaff this is. I will definitely be coming back here to Wild Camp. What do you reckon, GP?
Indeed, boy.
Let's go and get back to the van and have some food. Check.
If you have a double yolker, do you get 2 chicks come out of one egg, or do they normally survive? You do these over here, do it, mate.
Yo, what is going on, gangsters? It is the second morning. We've had our eggs, we've had our food, and we're all good to go. To be fair, I'm not going to do anything more from here out because it's kind of just a chilled vloggy vibe one. But yeah, it's been a pleasure. Looking forward to this new year and spending more time in this baby and getting it done up and flipping livable. So a couple of months time we'll be on the road full time getting that content out to you. So it's been a pleasure. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you know as soon as I upload a video, and I'll see you next week. Bye. Guys, it's been an absolute pleasure to take you along on this journey. I didn't do as much filming because obviously it was a special occasion and I just wanted to get you along for the ride. But thank you so much, and I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.